Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using Chrome on your desktop because Google Lens is integrated there. This gives the fastest experience. Once Chrome is open, sign into your Google account so results sync if you want them saved. Now, open the exact image. Either drag a local file into a new tab or navigate to the web page that holds the picture. Make sure the image is fully visible on screen. That lets Lens capture context accurately and avoids cropped or incomplete analysis. Next, right-click the image and pick Search Image with Google Lens so you invoke the tool instantly. Once Lens opens, click and drag to draw a selection box over the precise region you care about. This focuses detection and reduces noise. Then choose the Lens tab you need: Text to Copy, Translate to Convert Language, or Shopping to find products, because each mode filters results differently and improves relevance. If you need more detail, expand the selections slightly. Finally, review the Lens cards that appear and tap the suggestions you want. Copy extracted text, open shopping links, or follow source pages. If the first pass looks off, make a slightly larger or different selection and use more results to broaden matches, because that often finds better alternatives. If Lens doesn't work, verify the image resolution and lighting, confirm Chrome has permission to access the page, and update Chrome. These fixes resolve most detection and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.